guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am showing you how I refresh my home by doing simple habits to make the house look clean. You know those times when you necessarily don't want to deep clean or have any reason to? You just kind of want the house to look clean and presentable. So these are the things that I try to do weekly, and every now and then I'll deep clean. So we are celebrating Christmas at our house this year with just my immediate family, so I'll most likely wait to deep clean the week of Christmas. But for now, I just want to refresh my home and do some spot cleaning. So if you're interested in how I do this, keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby.
So making my bed is actually something I do every morning because it makes the room look cleaner and it's also less tempting to get back in bed during the day. But this is definitely a priority every single morning.
Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my kind of baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my kind of baby.
So as you can see, I like to wipe down everything that's in our master bedroom, including the nightstands, the dresser, the desk, and the bookshelf. So I do like to organize things on the desk, so any bills that we may have out, I'll put them in my filing system along with any other documents. So I definitely like to keep the desk clean because I do work from home, so it's a must that I have everything organized on my desk and wiped down.
Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my kind of baby.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up?
Lastly, I am pouring the Arm & Hammer carpet freshener, and then after that I'll just vacuum everything up.
Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
So next I like to do some weekly laundry. I've never been the type of person to let the clothes pile up all over the floor and they're like vomiting out of our little bin over here. So now I've even started doing half loads during the week so I won't have a bunch of laundry to do at the end of the week.
They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama. no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama.
So with our master bedroom, I don't need to necessarily deep clean every week. In a perfect world, I would, but I just work a lot and so does my husband, so we don't have time for that. So what I do like to do is wipe and disinfect our countertops, disinfect the doorknobs, of course, the light switches. I do like to clean the toilet and wipe around the toilet and basically just vacuum. Now when I deep clean, I do all of those things along with, clean the shower, mop, clean the tub, declutter and organize our drawers, and organize our closets a bit. But for this week and for like weekly, this will do.
Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah.
Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into their hands. Don't follow any other path but your own. Don't need to live up to their demands. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, you're doing well. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Don't be afraid. Be strong. You're not alone. Take a deep breath and realize. Trust in yourself. I promise you'll find hope. Oh, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, you're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. Just follow the light. You're almost there.
So this is our guest bathroom, and I basically like to do the same thing that I do in our master bedroom. Basically just disinfecting things, because sometimes we do get like guests and stuff, and I want to make sure everything smells good, everything is disinfected, due to COVID and things like that.
You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. It's right there.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close, and I need you close. need you close. Yeah, na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
So in our guest bedroom, we don't have many guests to stay over most of the time, but I still like to disinfect, wipe down things, and vacuum weekly.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there.
So this is my husband's man cave. The only things that I like to do weekly in here is definitely vacuum because we eat in here a lot when we watch movies. Wipe down some things and disinfect the doorknobs, the light switches, and the remote controls.
Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year.
Now with the kitchen, I definitely try to keep this clean daily because it's like the main area, and I just feel like the kitchen is like never clean. So weekly, I just try to like wipe down, or daily really, I try to wipe down the counters. Wash any dishes, I try to do that daily, and weekly I try to sweep. I don't mop every week, but even though I should, like I said, in a perfect world I would, but due to time I just sweep and then I leave the mopping to the deep clean days.
The sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
living room is definitely the main area of our house, so I'm always making sure things are straight daily. Weekly, I just like to wipe down all the coffee tables and vacuum and polish the floors. So with our dining room, I like to make sure the table is not dusty, so I wipe that down along with the chairs. This room never really gets dirty as much because no one ever comes in here. Now I did decide to put the Christmas tree in here, so there are little things all over the floor, but other than that, no one comes in here and this room stays clean. In about a month, I will be turning the dining room into my office, so we will be moving everything out of here and I will be switching everything over to office decor. So comment below if you want to see the dining room transformation into my office space. Lastly, no cleaning routine is complete without lighting a candle. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below your weekly cleaning routine. Bye guys.